Hey yo, you're vibing with Randy.
I'm doing a review on Adams Polishes, a graphene liquid wax. You'll know throughout the video that I keep calling it a graphite wax because I didn't really pay attention to the name of it. I didn't even pay attention to the price of it. It's a $28 bottle of wax, the only liquid wax in my local Walmart. And I did a review on it, and look for yourself. What do you think? Do you think it was worth the $28? Do you think it did regular? Do you think it did superb? You determine if it's worth the 28 bucks. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing Adams Polishes graphite liquid wax. I'm going to do half the hood of my car and see how it turns out. As of right now, it's an old work truck and it looks like this. With the hood. And we'll see if there's a difference in between. What you want to do with this wax is make sure your car is clean, obviously. You're going to want to shake it well. Apply a thin, even coat to the paintwork using tight circular motions if done by hand, obviously. And allow the product to haze over and dry for 1 to 3 minutes. I would also like to add that I'm not sponsored by this company in any way. We're just going to test it, see if it works, see if you're going to waste your money or not. I've personally never used graphite liquid wax before. It was the only liquid wax they had at my local Walmart. And, well, I mean, if someone goes to Walmart and it's there and it's no good, don't buy it, go to AutoZone or something. Here's the wax, and then here's the old area. Let me see if I get a good shot with what I'm working with. Well, you can't really tell. Hopefully we'll be able to tell when I get it buffed off that there's a difference. See this area here? See this area here is more cloudy, and then right here it becomes more clear. This is where the wax was applied at. Well, this is the after, and it is way shinier. Absolutely cool. It's a good product. It made a nice shine. It got rid of the black specks. I did have to do 2 coats on this side right here because it was really bad on the passenger side of the whole car. And that's it.